Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Simple Solutions. Today I will be showing you how to make your computer go more faster. This is a very old trick in the book. Most of the people don't know about it, but it's very simple. So let's get started. Today I will be working on a PC, on any desktop. Not Mac, it's just a desktop. Okay, the first step is to go into search, and in search you put a percentage sign and then type the letters TEMP, that's temp, and again one more percentage sign. You would see here file folder. Click on that, and here you see these folders, these 3 folders and a few files. Maybe when you would do it, you would see a lot of folders and a lot of files. The easy way to clean this is Control A on your keypad, on your keyboard. So you press Control and then A, which selects all of them, and then you press shift and then the delete button. So once again you press Control and then A, so it selects everything, and then you press the shift and the delete button. It will say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files or these items from your folder? It is very secure to do this because this is just temporary files that's saved on your computer. Then you click on yes. Okay, so there may be 1 or 2 files, 3 files, maybe a few files which are in use, and that cannot be deleted. So what we do is just click on do this for all items and skip. Alright, so as you see, it's cleared out most of the files, and in my case there was not too many files is because I already cleared it like a few hours back. So these files, they keep building up and make the computer go slow. Alright, so this was a very easy way of doing it. The second way, there is one more way of doing it, is by going into my computer, right click, and you would see show more options. Once you click on show more options, you would see the option right down which says properties. Click on properties and then you go to tools. When you go to tools, this may take some time to resolve the problem, but it definitely makes your computer go faster. And you would see the option optimize and defragment drive. So you click on optimize. Alright, now there are 4 drives on my computer. Your computer may have 4 drives or 2 drives or even 1 drive. So let's start with the OS, operating system. That's the main drive where all your information for Windows is saved. So you can click on that and then click on optimize. So mine was already optimized like 4 days back, so it's it's done it more faster right now. You click on the second drive, which is the D drive, and you click on optimize. Now this is going to take some time. It says running. It will take some time. uh, it can take anywhere from few minutes to an hour. So what happens is it's trying to clean up the hard drive, remove all the errors from the hard drive, so it makes your computer go faster. I recommend you doing this step with all the drives. In my case, I have 4 drives, so let's do it with so I'll do it with C, D, E, and F, just to make sure all the errors on the computer are cleared. You see, it's gone to 1%, so it's going to take time, guys. You can leave it, you can minimize it, and start using your computer as normal. So these 2 steps, for sure, they will help your computer go faster. Okay, so guys, as we see here, it's now 9%, and it's doing it slowly. Let it do its job, and after that just restart your computer and you should be good. Guys, you can also leave a comment in the comment section, so I know what kind of videos I need to make. And also please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips. Thank you.